What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Leo Chen of Levitate Style. In this video, I'm going to be talking about the classic Nike Air Jordan 11s. Before we get into this video, make sure you guys follow me on Instagram at Levitate Style. I post daily men's fashion and travel content there, so follow me there. Alright, let's get right into this. The Grail, probably the most iconic, the Nike Jordan 11 in the black and red BRED colorway. Now, I don't really think I need to go into a lot of details, reviewing and explaining this pair of shoes, but I'm gonna do it really quick. Of course, this is the iconic Air Jordan 11, and you got this black patent leather on the top here, and then you have this red sole on the bottom. On the back, you got number 23. You got the red Jumpman here, and on the inside, you have Nike Air. Over the years, the Nike Air Jordan 11 has always been the hardest sneakers to get. I remember camping out for these like 10 years ago and couldn't even get a pair, and they've always been so expensive with the resale value. So I'm just really thankful that Nike and Jordan the past few years have been releasing these on a general release. So basically everybody that really wanted a pair got a pair. I was able to get mine off the Nike sneaker app, and I gotta say I'm so happy. I may even try to double up on another pair soon, just so I can have one to wear for later on, or even wear to play basketball in, because honestly, all these years it's so hard to get a pair that you cherish these, you wear these, and you don't dare to wear them for any other reason. But now that there's so many pairs out there, I might want to get a pair and actually play in them and feel like Michael Jordan. Now this is the most iconic one. I mean, this is the Chicago Bulls color, the black, the white, the red, and of course I gotta wear one of the Jordan jackets that I have to go with this video. And another thing that I like about this 2019 pair is that the style of the patent leather is a little bit different. You can actually see this white outline from the shoes, so it reminds me more of the original OG style of the sneakers. Yeah, I really don't think I have to go any further into talking about this pair of sneakers. I think chances are if you're watching this video, you already know what these are. You've already seen these. You've probably watched a bunch of videos on these. So in this video, I really want to just show you a few different ways that I would wear it in a more tailored, more menswear style, not the super hypebeast, the typical street style outfits. Just show you a few more sophisticated, different ways to wear it nowadays.